Oh, down, down, down. Contact, contact! Oh, hey, visual, visual. He's moving, moving. So that means they're going to be in the woods. I'm probably left. Yeah, I've definitely left. So I'll take point. Yeah, you take point. So my gun, I don't know if it works or not. I'll be second. Ronen will be last.
Yeah, I'm gonna go right second.
I'll take last. Okay. Moving up. Fuck. That's what I was worried about. Reach your hand back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You sure? Alright, full auto.
Yeah.
Hallelujah. See you in hell. Go, go, go. Wait. Go. Fire, fire, fire. Oh. Ready? We're gonna move. Oh, he's dropped. Go. Hey guys, get over here. Over here. Got him. One down. Hub's down.
Hit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, come on. Oh.
Make some more.
Oh, they're behind us, Ronen. They're behind us. Gun hit! Gun hit! One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want to die like this, Ronen. I don't want to die like this. Not like this, Ronen. Not like this. You know what time it is, Ronen? Fun time! I'm gonna cross, okay, Ronen? I'm gonna cross, so just lay down fire. Alright? If I don't make it, don't come for me. Just hold out. Alright? Ready, Ronen? Oh. Gun hit. 2, 6, 7, 10. Gun back up. Ronen, win this fight for me. Ronen, win this fight for me. Got him. Ronen, move up. Oh, I got him! He's dry. Over here. 2. Oh, fuck it. How are we not dead yet? Pardon? Oh, we got this, Ronen. It's Ronen right now, you're phoning.
What?
Oh wait, we can't go down here though. This is as far as we can go. We can't move down the ridge. Hey, right here. Got him.
Good job, Jack.
Thank you. For good luck. Hey. No. No, Ronen. Ronen, come here. Ronen, come here, come here. Hand me gun for just half a second, mate. Thanks. I hope he's not hit. Oh, hey. You hit right here, mate? You hit? Hi, he's not calling it. There. Let's move back. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, this is good right here. You okay? Oh, shit. Ah. Yeah, I'm good.
Sure?
Yeah. Well, if my gun's okay. Ah. Whew. Oh, I see him.
No visual ground.
He's moving. Moving right. Oh, real shots fired?
Right over there.
Alright. One was moving right. One that was moving right on the trail. Ooh, these two big trees look good. Three, 4, 5. Alright, so where is he?
Right in front of me, behind a tree, like that, and like that. So if you stand up, you'll probably be able to see him.
What's...
See how I'm shooting?
Hang on.
Look where I'm
Keep
shooting.
shooting, keep shooting. Oh, over... Yep. It's where like those brown leaves are?
He's moving outside.
Hit! Nice job. You got... Ha! Alright, Ronen.
So dead too.
Run. Got my arm. Got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Back in!
Wait, bro, he's right there! He's right here. I'll get him. Got him. Wait, is anyone left? Is that your team?
Is that your team?
I think so. I don't know. You're in Nick over there.
Oh, Ronen. Oh my god.
That so should have been dead if it wasn't for my battery.
Oh yeah, you totally would have gotten him there.
He was right in the open and just like...
Yeah, I saw you.
Oh!
My heart was pounding.
Nice shot. I didn't see you there. Good playing.
Oh my god. That's a miracle.
We won. Yeah, Ronen.